I'm an addict for Snickers.
Color changing boost. That's what we got here. I am impressed with it. I've got a pair in person and I wanted to give you guys just basically a look at the color changing with this shoe. The Ultraboost is a fantastic model. I highly recommend it. Go true to size unless you have a wide foot. Maybe go up half a size if you have like a boulder as a foot, a cinder block foot. But let's get up close. I'll show you the shoe with your knit upper, your cage system, and that rubber for support. Plus, you have your heel counter, and as you can see, it's already starting to change. And once I move it around, you see the purples and the teals and the blues. It really looks nice. I'm actually very impressed with the way the colors are changing. I reviewed some LeBrons that have this kind of vibe. Doesn't change like this, though. Love that pull on the back. Clever how they designed this shoe. As far as the fit, once again, go true to size. You should be good to go. Super comfortable. Bird's eye view on the toe, going up to your lace system, and then you have your branding up tippy tap right there, and more branding in the insole. As I said, this video honestly was just for me to show you this foam, this Boost foam, how it has that iridescent color changing look. Let me know if you like it, if you love it. I will link these in the description box below if you're looking for a pair. Some people like just the traditional white Boost. I remember when Boost first came out, people were criticizing it, saying it looked stupid, like styrofoam. But I think once people actually felt how comfortable Boost is, everyone just got over that damn look, you know, and then they started releasing it in different colors. Seems like people really just gravitated to the OG white Boost color. Does this do anything for you? I'm just curious, or, you know, you just prefer the OG look of Boost. I'm impressed, me personally. That's really why I filmed this, because I walked by these shoes and I said, you know what, these actually look good. They did a good job where it's actually changing colors like crazy. I do recommend them if you like how they look on video. It will be linked below the screen in the description box below to pick up. And there's other colorways too with this same kind of vibe. So check out all the different colorways. That will be below. My Sneaker Addict t-shirts also. Patreon. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helped you out. I'm sure there's some that are curious about this shoe in general and was looking for this. I don't know if there's anything like this on YouTube yet. But I wanted to put this on my channel. So we have it in the archives. I have so many sneakers that I was thinking about uploading, but I don't know if you guys have any interest. Let me know if you have interest in the up-tempo Moors. That is one, the new one that came out in black and red. If people want that video, I'll post it today, but I just don't want to post stuff if it's shit that people don't care about. So let me know that in the comments. Uploaded the Air Jordan 4 that's coming out this weekend. Detailed review on that. The Denim Jordan 6, detailed review on that. The new Yeezys that's dropped. Let me know if you picked up those new Yeezys, by the way. Detailed review on those too. So check out all the videos. If you're just hanging out, hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget the Dells Show. I have my Star Wars review up on my other channel, the Dells Show. So definitely head over there if you're interested in checking out Star Wars. I know a lot of people are excited because of the movie launching, so check all that out. Thank you for your support, and I may be back later on today with a new video, maybe on them up-tempo Moors. I also got a few other early looks, like the new Westbrooks, if anyone's excited about that, or the upcoming Freak One Soul Glow coming to America sneakers. I actually just got my hands on those too. Talk to me. Let me know what you want, and I'll do my best to deliver. Bong bong, we out. We out. We out. We out.